How to check for macOS 10.14 Mojave support for Epson product. To check for macOS 10.14 Mojave support for your Epson product, you can follow these steps. Go to the Epson support page and select your product. Select macOS 10.14 in the operating system drop-down box, if necessary. Do one of the following: download and install the drivers and utilities combo package for your product if it's available. Download and install the latest driver for your product from the drivers and download section. Use Epson scan or image capture to scan documents or photos. You can also find more information about how to use your Epson product with macOS 10.14 Mojave on their FAQ page. Learn more. 1. FAQ 0000920 macOS _10_14 SPT Mojave NS macOS 10.14 Mojave support. https://epson.com/faq-mojave-NS-FAQ-0000920-cat=FAQ_cat=top FAQs. 2. macOS 10.14 Mojave support Epson US. https://epson.com/support/WA00873. 3. macOS 10.14 Mojave support Epson US. https://epson.com/support/s0/macOS-10-14-Mojave-support